Updates for BTC. Guys, I'm not a fan of the patterns. I'm not a fan of the history repeating. But this is example what I would like to show you now on a logarithmic BTC charts can play out, I think, with 90% or 80% confidence this May. A lot of things, guys, now showing us, even if I would be the extra bullish, the bull maxi. I want to believe so BTC will hit the highest level this year, but guys, I'm more than sure the May. I wish to be wrong, right? But I think more than real to see the dump BTC this May. What will be with the altcoins? It's hard to say because it's not unnecessary. So the altcoins will bloody more because of BTC dominance, because maybe we'll see some DeFi summer 2.0 new version. We can't know, right? But for BTC, I'm more than sure we will see the dump. I posted today the list of the reasons why do I think so. Everything should be like connected the dots like a puzzle by middle of the May after the Donald Trump meeting with the CZP. And take a look, another puzzle. Before I would like to show you the updates with the indicators locally for the BTC, because we track this chart so long-term period, right? So I would like to show you this one. This can be like a conspirology or something, but it's shown on a logarithmic charts, so you could see the dumps. On the normal charts, it's hard to show it. So the February, it's on 14. I marked the exact date right here, but this is just accounting from the beginning of the month. The Janet Yellen officially took the office of the new Fed's right. We dump BTC, dump it. 79%. February 5, zone 18, Jerome Powell officially took the office. Magic? No. We dump it 73. Jerome Powell began his second term. May 23, zone 22. We dump it 58. And 15 May, it's kind of interesting, right? How the CZP will be meeting with Donald Trump the 14, 15 May, and the end of the term of Jerome Powell, 15 May, and basically by law, 16 May, 17 May, there should be the new out of office Fed. And now it's Kevin Warsh. He's pro-crypto. He owns the crypto. He holds the crypto. But basically everybody waiting, so he's going to be the dovish. But he maybe will be hawkish about the crypto in general and the markets in general. And I think it's just a theory. They will figure out everything with Iran. On a meeting, Xi Jinping and Donald Trump, they talk about some extra bullish things. The selling may go away. This year, I think will play out. We already bounced it over then, let me show you, from 59 to 80, so 20K, 33% up. It's good for the cat bounce. Another reason why we can drop. Too much long position now also, right? And if this theory will play out again, I don't think so. We will drop to the 58% like it was previous one, right? So 79, 73, 58. This drop, I think, will be a lower one. Less, not a lower one, less percentage, because I repeat again and again and again. So the BTC every single new year, every single cycle will give the less returns and drop less, because the BTC become more heavy, right? It's hard to drop. Maybe not that hard to drop, but harder to drop than the previous one because the more money here, especially with the ETF now. And it's hard to pump it like previous one to the unbelievable gains, right? That's why I think we will drop not a 58% to the 32K600. I think we can drop. So the buy line here now, it's 47.63, but we already retested the buy line. Weekly time frame. Well, let me hide this model. Take profit, we already retested the buy line. If we could form the double bottom, guys, this summer, it can be again the test of the buy line 60K500, maybe even with the sweep of liquidity like 59, more than real to see. 52 900, 49 500, also more than real to see around the fundamental value of this token. On the futures, on the Bitstamp, maybe it's going to be another level. So now the road is open till this date, this one, here, 15 mark. We can climb it up here out of the channel, hypothetical channel, and hit even the 61 level, 83, 365. After that, crash it down again. So it's kind of interesting, right? How? And exactly here on the next day, after the meeting, after the Jerome Powell left the office, we can see the dump. You know, they will treat us a lot of positive news. I'm more than sure in the media, you could see a lot of positive news before the meeting or after the meeting, you know. So the people jump in and light lungs, and after that, we're going to dump it. I wish to be wrong, guys. I wish to be wrong, and I wish to see the unstoppable to take profit line, exit line, break the structure, and go into the moon. I wish to see it. But based on reality, based on seasonality, I more than think we could see something like this one and the drop. How low we're going to drop? To the 27 zone or stop with the double bottom? This is an open question. Is it possible to hit the take profit line? Yes, of course. Yes, of course, guys. That's why maybe it's just a theory, maybe it's not playing out. So let's count. If we drop to the 58, 800 or 52, so what's the, let's delete this one. So 58, 50, 59, where that one? 25%, no, I don't think so. I think we'll drop lower, 52. So 35% more than real. So here it was like around 15% less. So maybe this time it's going to be also like 20% less. Who knows? But so this is my take about the May. Also after that, I don't think so. We will see some V-shaped recover move. Usually it takes a time. So everything you can see in the screen. In November, of course, December, it was the FTX collapse, and we could see the new rally. That's why, based on this model, guys, I will be not surprised if we will see the drop this May, and I think it's more than real to see. Trade on. Locally, guys, like you can see, was sell signal, take profit, buy, and the last signal to buy was here also on a daily. Now it's like a sideways line. And I'm more than sure the signal to sell we will see really, really soon. Let's add alert. I'll recommend you guys, by the way, use this indicator set. You can write me DM if you'd like to use it. Link will be on the description below. So wait the signal to sell. I'm not sure if it's added. Hey, come on. Sell. Sell on trade on indicator. Right. Let's wait the alert. And market mood, money power, guys, now. Extreme aphoria zone. So this is what I told you. This is money out, money outflow on the daily. So yes, locally, guys, be ready because be ready to out of the BTC. Be ready to take the profit. Be ready to close some extra long position on altcoins. But only one thing is what I wish to and I pray to see. It's a DeFi summer, something like this one with the altcoins. I don't care about a BTC, right? But I wish to see the BTC dominance on the 55% and perform of the alts during the summer. I wish. If not, unfortunately, we could see the new low on the alts. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about this series. If you like to trade with my customer said what I showed in this video, write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecom. See you next time, guys.